Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Rats can infect humans directly with disease. They can also be incredibly destructive, chewing through walls, insulation, and electrical wiring. That's why we should get rid of all the rats in our home. Today, I'm going to share with you all 4 natural ways to get rid of rats and mice from your house without harming them. Let us see what these methods are. 1. Peppermint oil. Few people know that peppermint oil is a natural rat repellent because rats are so afraid of its smell. We just need to put 2 drops of peppermint oil on a cotton ball. Then put the cotton balls under the trash can, which will prevent rats from crawling in. We can also put the cotton balls at rats-infested areas or where rats are usually roaming at your house. However, it should be noted that the cotton balls must be changed every 7 days to maintain the repellent effect. 2. Chili powder. Rats have a sensitive sense of smell and are afraid of irritating smell. The strong pungent aroma smell of chili powder will keep rats away. All you need to do is to sprinkle some chili powder at where rats are usually roaming at your house. 3. Bay leaves. Bay leaves are also great for repelling rats, as rats are afraid of its smell. You only need to mash the bay leaves and put them at rats-infested places in your house to repel the rats. 4. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Eucalyptus Essential Oil is mainly composed of eucalyptus, which has a cool mint-like smell, and they smell a bit like camphor, which is very effective in repelling rats, as rats are afraid of the smell. All we have to do is to put 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil on a cotton ball. Then place the cotton ball in rats-infested area in your home. Remember to change the cotton balls every week. This will keep rats away from your home. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.